Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 34. And our prompts for this week is a building. I've got this house, a picture of a hat or clothing item. I got this lady wearing a hat. This is from Collage Soup, and I believe this is as well. Something metallic in appearance. I've got this guy in this suit, and I got this from my Extraordinary Things to Cut and Collage. A clipping of a map with city names. I've got this. It's got Frankfurt and Krakow and Prague, Slovakia, all these things. Something with a checkerboard pattern. I've got this washi tape. If you turn it catty corner, it's checkerboard. That's the only thing I could find. And a bonus is something smooth. And I've got these roses. The petals are smooth. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody is doing good. I'm doing good. So I'm just going to kind of arrange this. I've already inked everything. Let's see what we've got. I want to put her down here. And I thought about adding that up there. And adding this guy. Kind of tuck him. Kind of like this. Let's see if I can scoot that over. And I have got my house, which I can kind of do that. And I like that. And I'll just kind of add in some washi tape as I go. Well, it hadn't been a whole lot going on here. Let's see how I want to do this. I think I'm just going to go ahead and start tacking some stuff down so I can get a better, trying to come between those holes. And I want that over. So I'm going to go right here and right here. Well, that didn't work. We'll do that and see what we get. It's nice outside. It's not so humid. Still warm, but you get that little bit of a breeze, and it is just really quite pleasant, especially for August in Mississippi. Really, the whole summer. We've had some humid days, we've had some hot days, and heat advisories, but overall, it hasn't been that bad at all. Certainly could have been a lot worse. Let's see here. Well, I didn't do that very straight, that's for sure. That's okay. I'll just clip off the edges. We'll say it gives it character. That works for me. All right, and I want that to go down, but that to tuck in. Yep. I went outside just a little bit ago and it was just so pleasant. I really enjoy using the Collage Soup images. I like that quirkiness. Okay, so we've got everything. And now, let's add some washi tape. Let me put my pen back in. And well, thought I'd get the top, didn't want to come off. I thought I could not find, I've got a little box of black washi tape, and I was thinking there might be checkerboard in there, and I cannot find it anywhere. Very aggravating. And I will put some there where I messed up. If I can find the end. There we go. That helps. And then I will put another small piece right there. I got my 3 pieces. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Stabilo and just kind of go around him. Mostly want to give him a grounding. So I'm going to give him a shadow there. I'm gonna just try my fingers so I don't get quite so much of a smudge. Although I kind of like that, but let's see. I will use my water for down here though. I won't use it. I like it. Okay. Maybe the house. This I just do by whatever I think will help improve. Doesn't always work, but I'm trying. I like that shadow that you get. Because I like when it pops from the background. Although I don't know how well it's going to do on that paper. Because that came from a, I think it came from a, no, it came from a book that I found. Okay. And I think I'm going to try something different. I think I'm going to do things like dots. Just to add a little something to it. And I will also do my splatters. Okay. And maybe, let's see if I can find another color. Maybe a kind of a, this is an alcohol marker. That was acrylic paint pen. Anything to get little markings on here. Okay. I like that. And now I will get my gold paint. Get that going. Okay, got some gold on the goldfish. I used an image that is a lot like that. It's not the exact same one. Maybe to give some continuity to my journal that I'm putting these in. So, okay, we have got a building. We've got a picture, a hat, or clothing. Something metallic in appearance. Got that suit. A clipping of a map with city names. Got that. I think I'll go around that just to bring that out so it's just not. Here we go. And something with checkerboard pattern. I've got the washi tape. I know it looks like harlequins there, but if you look at it sideways, it looks like a checkerboard. And then something smooth, and we've got the rose petals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP34 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. Have a great week. And until next time, bye y'all.